guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. This your girl Shayla, and you guys are here, Life of Shayla. If you are not currently subscribed to my channel, baby, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do typically drop videos weekly. Sometimes I drop multiple videos, so I will definitely keep them coming for you guys. But I'm sure you guys can tell by the title that we are here with a sister lock video. Y'all, before we get into the sister lock video, what do you guys think about these lashes? Don't judge, y'all, if they are on a little raggedy or whatever, or if they look like they're just thrown on. Because baby, this was my first time applying lashes. I don't wear lashes or anything like that, but you know, trying to support. But anyways, enough with the lashes. Let's get back to what this video is about. So today, y'all, let me just show y'all how I have my hair. I am going to be doing a nice little sister lock video on half up, half down styles. So just a little heads up, I do have the back of my hair in 3 French braids because I want it to be a braid out. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around and let you guys see what we are starting with. All right, so that's what we're starting with. And then I just had my hair thrown up in a ponytail from sleeping. So this is the top. I just discovered, y'all, that this lock over here is hella thinning over it, y'all. So I don't like to pull my top up too tight anyways, because my locks around my perimeter are a lot thinner. And if you guys catch me looking off to the side over here, it is literally because my mirror is there, but my battery is dying. So I'll be back in just a second after I change it. All right, guys, so we are back. All right, so I am going to be bringing you guys a few half up, half down options. We're gonna start with just the regular bun. So you just want to grab your hair and bring it all up to a ponytail in the middle. Now you can choose to put your ponytail how high or how low you like it. Like I told you guys before, I will definitely be like leaving my hair loose. All right, so there's one option for a bun. You can just situate it how you want to, but that's not what we're going for. So there's one option. Let me go ahead and take my hair down in the back. Turn around for y'all so y'all can catch this braid out, baby. Alright guys, so now that the back is down, we can get started. So remember, when you do any type of braid out or anything like that, you definitely do not want to just take your braid down and leave it. You definitely want to run your fingers through, get rid of like the little part that you may have from separating your hair, and just like, you know, separate your locks, make it look a little fuller. Give it a little shake and you are good. So yes, baby, back to this. So this can be style number 1, half up, half down, just a cute little bun. As you guys may have seen in the clip previous, I literally just, as I was putting a ponytail holder on, I just folded the hair and left it that way. So let me go ahead and turn so you guys can get a glimpse of this. right, so on to number 2. Remember I was telling you guys I prefer not to do that one, but I will. So this one, just gonna take this and we will have, if my hair wants to cooperate, you can just leave. My hair is just trying to fall, y'all, in the front. Not how I really want it. But yeah, you guys probably get the gist here. Then you could leave it just out like this. And this can be style number 2, half up, half down. Gonna do my spin for you guys. We're gonna take this same ponytail and go into style number 3. So there's 2-3 different ways you can actually do this bun. So I'm gonna show you guys the first way I like to do it, which is just kind of taking the hair around, basically covering that ponytail holder that's under there. I should have got some bobby pins, y'all, but I don't feel like going to get them now. So here's to style number 3. I just took a ponytail holder, y'all. So just a cute little bun. You can do this even on shorter locks. Yep, I used to do it when my locks were a lot shorter. But here's style number 3. Very simple, and then you just tuck and mold as you need to. Like if it was still hair poking out, then you could just tuck it into this little bun. But let me do my 360 for you guys. Yeah, I just realized my lips are super dry. Let me grab my chapstick or my lip gloss. You definitely want to put chapstick on first. Yeah, because some of these lip glosses can be so sticky. So on to style number 4. And so this is what I was meaning by you can take this bun and do it how you want to. A lot of people, especially if you have longer locks, you can literally do like a top knot bun. So let me go ahead and fake this top knot bun. All right, it ain't working. So style number 4. All right guys, so we are moving into style number 4. Got rid of the ponytail. And we are going to separate into 2. Now the thing about my hair, guys, is when I got my hair installed, my middle part is not a true middle part. So yes, baby. We're gonna fake a middle part here. If my hair wants to cooperate. All right, so that's about as middle as we're gonna get. Y'all, my hair is really not cooperating, if you could see this right here. So let's see if we could hide that. A lot of people do the pigtails, y'all. It's not for me. But hairstyle number 4. Half up, half down. Back is still down, so I'm gonna do my 360 for you guys. A little too close, 360. What do y'all think about this style? Is it just me, or do you guys feel the same way? Like, I just feel like the pigtails are really like childish for me. They're just too childish for me. I mean, what do y'all think? While y'all thinking, I'm gonna give me a little picture for my thumbnail. Let me know down in the comment box below what you guys think about this pigtailed look. Some people like it, it's just not for me. So we are going to move on to 5, which is going to be our last half up, half down style. And I am going to do like I did my bun. So I am going to just wrap my hair around. Then I'm going to secure that with a rubber band. As you guys can see, it's already trying to come down. So there's one, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the other side. Y'all, it definitely don't have to be perfect or anything like that. Me personally, I like the messy look. Give it more spice and more style, but you know, that's my opinion. Let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like the messy buns, or do y'all like want y'all buns to be perfect, on point? Okay, so I did not like it with the hair out, the pigtails out, but I do like the 2 buns. And if y'all want to spice it up, let me see if this one is out. Y'all could leave a piece of hair down. This one don't ever stay down anymore. Like I told y'all, it's getting ready to fall off, but whatever. So the 2 buns, y'all, I really like. I'm gonna go ahead and do my 360 for you guys. And then if you want to be fancy, y'all could add some little hair jewels, or some of those little like dang, what are they called? The little like clamps that people put on like their braids and stuff like that. That would even be super cute. But this completes style number 5 of the half up, half down look. Be sure to let me know what you guys think about these styles in the comment box down below. Let me know if you have tried, or if you will try. Be sure to drop that down below. I would love to see how these styles come out on you. And remember, like my hair has grown a lot. The back is a lot longer than my top, because I chopped the top of my hair off. That was 6 inches when I first started. The back was 9 and 12 inches. So yeah, it's harder for me to do like styles to the back than it is to, you know, do like half up, half down, or pull all my hair up to the top in a ponytail. So let me know what you guys think about these styles down below. Let me know which one is your favorite. I really like this one, but my favorite will be the 1 bun. The bun like I did like this one. That would be my favorite, and then this one would come next. But this braid out, y'all, the braid out, y'all, I'm loving the braid out. Okay, I usually don't do too much to my hair, and mainly because, you know, I'm still early in the process. Want to make sure I don't manipulate it too much to cause breakage of my locks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I mean, if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting on? What you waiting for? I I promise I'll keep you entertained. But please be sure to come back for another video. I hope y'all enjoyed this sister lock video. Until next time.